Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to create or make another Facebook account in Meta. So now things have changed. Facebook isn't Facebook anymore, it's Meta. So some settings have changed. Now I'll show you how to create a new account or to add it or add an existing account into your Facebook or Meta account center. So what you need to do first is go to your profile in the top right and then click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. So you find yourself on this page, go to Meta Account Center and click on see more in Account Center. Click on this and you will find yourself redirected onto this page. So as you can see here, I have this account section. So let's just click on it here. And if you look here, you will find all the accounts that I already have. So let's click on add accounts and add a Meta account. This is supposed to be for Facebook, but you can also add for Instagram if you want. So let's go to add Meta account, and here you will just have to type your email. Either it's an already existing Meta account if you want to add an account that you already have made before, or you can also create a new account. So by typing, for example, tutorial email test, for example, and just at gmail.com. And here you will find the option to create a new Meta account. So click on create a new account. Here just type the first name, last name, and type all your informations and you'll be good. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.